Have you ever wondered if there's something you can do and earn at the same time while doing your other activities? I would like to share with you of an amazing business opportunity I came across on social media. Hi there, I'm Sarah Kariuki, a digital business owner. After the global pandemic hit, I lost thousands of dollars to a close friend that I helped out who never returned back my money and stopped answering my calls and messages. I was devastated and I ended up suffering very serious financial circumstances. I reached a point and I thought to myself to go online and look for something else to do to supplement my income. Thanks be to God that He heard my prayers. A few months ago, I was listening to music on social media and there was this ad that kept popping up. I listened to it. It's from a couple that ran a successful online business. I was moved by their story, how they were able to pay off their consumer debt, support their parents, travel without worries, and save for the future, and also support ministry. Without any hesitation, I was very certain that this is the online solution I've been looking for. I signed up, I joined the business, and I'm so glad that I did because now I have the opportunity to achieve all my financial dreams. When you join this business, you'll be provided with all the training you need. You have access to our coaches, our mentors, who will support you all the way. And you can run this online business from anywhere in the world. If you're someone who is coachable, you're hardworking, you're willing to grow, and you're looking for a solution, this business is for you. Please click the link below. For the free workshop that is coming up, sign up with your name and email address, and we will send you all the information that you need to start your own online business. Don't be left behind. Click the link below. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks.